Time for Shop Talk. This week we discuss time management. Effective time management is crucial for running a successful automotive repair shop. By setting priorities and organizing tasks, you can ensure that the most important tasks are completed first and that you're making the most of your time. One way to do this is to create a to-do list for each day with the most important task at the top. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you're not forgetting any important tasks. In addition to setting priorities and organizing tasks, it is also important to delegate responsibilities and work as a team. By sharing tasks and working together, you can get more done in less time. This is especially important in an automotive repair shop where there are often many tasks to be completed and not enough time to do them all. By delegating responsibilities, you can make sure that each team member is working on the tasks that they're most skilled at, which can help to increase efficiency and productivity. Finally, proper job dispatch is essential for effective time management in an automotive repair shop. By properly dispatching jobs to technicians, you can ensure that each technician is working on the tasks that they are most qualified to handle. This can help to speed up the repair process and increase customer satisfaction. Overall, effective time management is key to running a successful automotive repair shop. By setting priorities, organizing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and properly dispatching jobs, you can make the most of your time and ensure that your business is running smoothly and efficiently. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos that can help your shop reach its greatest potential.